Hey folks, Mobile Geezer, and this time I'm back with my Galaxy Buds 2. I selected these as one of my perks when I ordered my Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and of course that took a couple of weeks more than expected to come because of the delays, and this came a week later, so finally got it, and I'm finally taking the time to open them up and show them to you guys.
Let's do this!
The design is much like the Galaxy Buds Pro as far as I can tell, which are by far my favorite true wireless earbuds, and I have about 8 pairs of them. So I'm hoping these are just as good as the Galaxy Buds Plus. Here they are with their case. So these are in gray. Actually, I like them better than my purple Galaxy Buds Plus. But we will be trying them out. But let's see what else is in the box. Guessing this is just going to be ear tips. There's our charger, and there's our extra ear tips. Change the ear tips if necessary, but right now we'll just put them back. And let's open these up. So I will put them on my ears. The right one seems to fit as good as the Buds Plus, and the Buds Plus stick in my ears much better than any of my others, and this feels like it's going to stick pretty good too. Now let's pair them up to the Galaxy S22 Plus. Yeah, today you can see I'm wearing my Galaxy Watch 4, and yes, I did hit it right by having the Galaxy Watch 4 when I unboxed this, but I actually change my watches every day. One day it's Galaxy, one day it's the Apple Watch. So just lucked out today. So let's do a little scans, see if we pick up the earbuds. Now that we're all paired up, we'll give these a sound test. Picked Huey Lewis. Let's see what this sounds like. It's not all the way up, but it's really loud. I'd say louder than my Galaxy Buds Pro. Bass sounds pretty good too. Okay, let's try it with something a little calmer. Sounds very full, and of course they seem to get very, very loud, so I think I may be pleased with these. I'll probably take these out later and use them on my bicycle ride. So just wanted to show you guys that I got my Galaxy Buds 2, and they sound like they're going to be pretty good. So as always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching.